Hello, my name is Isabel.
Hi, I'm Pedro, and we are part of a critical manufacturing team. From 18 to 20 of March, we will be exhibiting our MES at APEX in Anaheim.
Attending such an outstanding trade show is always exciting, but one of the most important things is knowing how to navigate an event like this. So today we will share 3 tips on what not to do at APEX.
Let's go!
APEX is a great place to share information about your company, wouldn't you agree, Pedro?
Of course, Isabel. Still, for the love of the PCBs, don't overwhelm people with brochures.
Yes, because who doesn't want to carry a small library around the trade show?
Obviously.
APEX is a perfect place for networking. You will meet some of the industry's most interesting people, and it can be the ideal opportunity to connect.
In that way, it's essential to not take freebies from every booth without engaging with the exhibitors. What do you think, Isabel, about this?
Great tip, Pedro. Finally, you should know that APEX is the largest event in North America for the electronics industry.
That being said, don't get lost.
The best way not to get lost is to meet critical manufacturing at the Anaheim Convention Center.
Which booth will be in, Isabel?
We will be in ASMPT booth 1813, and you should know this, Pedro.
Great, we look forward to see you there.